SLX.
Yeah.
Let it run.
You know what? Haters are funny, man. It's like you're gonna hate it no matter what it is, yet you still click on it.
Never felt so lonely. I never thought that it would go that far, that the darkest side would own me, pulling me away from my own heart. Please don't touch my stars. Promise you won't touch my scars, 'cause the beast behind those bars might just tear us both apart.
Haven't used all the tricks I have, so like my balls, I'm in my bag. Get a little testy when I'm mad. Sick of wrestling this iPad, unsuccessfully I might add. And I know it's best to leave it live, but even I get obsessed with reading everything and let it get the best of me till I snap. Just cut to the chase like OJ in his Bronco going up the roadway. And get off my dick if I said my balls were yarn, you bitches with crochet. All I ever wanted a rope chain from the day I saw Fuji on Soul Train. Now I got that Kango 2K, was one yellow and white gold plated. What happened to Slim? He was no cap at the pen. He used to rap like the people his music was for. He was exactly like them, like the dude who used to be poor. Why can't he tap into him? Can't use that excuse anymore. He's mad at the wind, he's in a nuclear war. With a cloud, he's yelling at it again.
Never felt so lonely. I never thought that it would go that far, that the darkest side would own me, pulling me away from my own heart. Please don't touch my stars. Promise you won't touch my scars, 'cause the beast behind those bars might just tear us both apart.
Simple thoughts, this beat is crazy. This shit's retarded, this instrumental. Too many bars, incidental charges. When did it start? I've been cold-hearted. In this heart, since kindergarten, mental sharpness, which makes limo walk and getting soft as bitch. I invented flossing. You get them on tape, they stick to a story like Spider-Man crawling upside of a wall. And someone just unabiding is lawman, like Garrett Roth and like Eric Chauvin. No cap, still riding with Colin, though some people don't like me at all. And some are like bees to flowers, 'cause some people find me appalling. Get your whole squad, send a task force in. If you want it, you about to get what you asked for then. Put your helmet on, scrap your chin. You about to get to a crash course in who not to start a motherfucking rap war with or to go against. Fuck what you wanna do that for, no offense, but are you retards slow or dense? A fucking penny has more sense. Yeah.
Never felt so lonely. I never thought that it would go that far, that the darkest side would own me, pulling me away from my own heart. Please don't touch my stars. Promise you won't touch my scars, 'cause the beast behind those bars might just tear us both apart.
Drinks while I kick it with this chicken pink. She compliment me on my cufflinks. I compliment her on some other things. Yeah, but all my fresh fly people on the east side. We're all my fresh fly people on the west side. We're all my fresh fly people on the south side, north side, city side, bay side.
Hey yo, question, hey, who fresher than me? It's like a parade every day that I step in the streets. Preferably, I just left some sex in the sheets. No weapons on me, please, I ain't stressing no beef. 'Cause I'm the man where I'm at, and my fans wanna look. Camera snap, she's fat, so my hands on her tush. Her pants is a book, I gotta open to read. I'm focusing on smoking some trees and stroking her teens. I'm hoping she sees the links on the cuffs. The things that she wants makes it easy to crush. And she's thinking of bucks and minks in the truck. Just one drink and I bet that I'm deep in her guts. The tabloid's right, that boy's nice. He shines like Diddy, he's in a bad boy life. So grab your wife, 'cause you must comprende. I'll turn every night into Hump Day Wednesday.
Fresh when we stepping in the VIP.
Look at us, look at us.
Everybody gonna notice we just so fly like an F-16. They stare with their mouth wide open.
Close your mouth and let me buy your drinks while I kick it with this chicken pink. me aviator. Flush rivet finish on my swag out the hanger. Known for the hot 16s and the bangers. Think I'm about to take that 3-piece off the hanger. Fresher than Easter Sunday, first day of school Monday. Life for the party far from mundane, untamed. Coming out the gate and I'm unchained. Blank blank, hotter than me, title unclaimed. I just smoke a piece pipe so I lean slow. I got the D&G shades or eyes low. Ain't no sun up in the club, right? I know, but they jiving so well with my look, yo. I should write a book, yo. Getting fly for dummies, followed up by the sequel. Getting honeys for dummies, I will be Enrico. Claro, claro que sí, look at me, I'm fresher than clean.
Fresh when we stepping in the VIP.
Look at us, look at us, yeah.
Everybody gonna know we just so fly like the F-16. They stare with their mouth wide open.
Close your mouth and let me buy your drinks while I kick it with this chicken pink. She compliment me on my cufflinks. I compliment her on some other things. Yeah, we're all my fresh fly people on the east side. We're all my fresh fly people on the west side. We're all my fresh fly people on the south side. North side, same side, worldwide.
Можно сходить в открытый бассейн галактики на 3 часа этого прекрасного светового дня. И это будет очень классная активность, которая по качеству будет равна вчерашнему паудеру-ваудеру. Только было такое время, когда здесь делали классные коктейли. Вот, но сейчас что-то бар у них не работает для бассейна. Вот, а без бассейна бар — это просто бар, а не бассейн. Пиноколаду как-то тут классно делали. Но день сегодня классный. Вчера вон там вот катался вот. О, прям вот здесь вот вчера вот катался вот. Линия такая вот яркая вот. Она вот старая вот Альпика, и вот она вот линия. Вот там вот я и катался.
Let the champagne spill.